Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to make your Google Drive uploads faster. If you are ready to upload your files, we have some simple tips to help increase your upload speed and save time. First, check your connection speed using an online speed tool. If your speeds are slow, it could be an issue with your internet provider. Next, connect your device to a stable, high-speed Wi-Fi, or use a wired connection if possible. If you have a cable, you can plug your desktop or computer directly into your router or modem. Another tip is to pause or stop any ongoing downloads. If you have downloads running in the background, you will need to stop or clear them. This includes torrent downloads. Make sure to disable or pause them so your Google Drive upload can run faster. Also, close any browser tabs or background apps that may be using up bandwidth. We recommend using the Google Chrome browser. It is fast, lightweight, and made by Google, so it works well with Google Drive. Make sure your browser is up to date. To update it, open your browser settings, then click on Settings, and go to About Google Chrome. Chrome will update automatically from here. If it is already up to date, you can close that window. When uploading files, we should upload in smaller batches instead of everything at once. Break them up folder by folder to avoid large bulk uploads. This helps things move faster and makes it easier to track your progress. We also recommend clearing your cache. Go to your browser settings, then to Privacy and Security. From there, you can delete your browsing data, including cached images and files. Once that is done, try uploading your files to Google Drive again. You should notice faster and smoother uploads right away. By following these tips, we can upload files to Google Drive faster and more efficiently. No more long waits, just quick and smooth uploads.